Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. We know that this one is about a. This one is about b. We need to create about a square minus b square because I want to cancel about the square root by the power 2. So to do this one, we need to multiply by a plus b. That should be about the square root of x plus 1 plus 2. So because we just create about this factor in here, so on the denominator, they should multiply by this one. And now, this one, we will change by this one. And then we will have about the square root of x plus 1 to the power of 2 minus number 2 to the power of 2. So we need to cancel about the square root and we got about x plus 1. This one you got about number 4. 1 minus 4 you got about negative number 3. And later that we divide both sides by x minus 3. Now I will put number 3 go in here and we got the final answer. And this one you got about 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.